Hi, my name is Lawson. Welcome to Velo Saturday. I'm going to do the topic of cassette cleaning, how to clean your cassette properly. And I'll be showing you the basic tools you need as well for cassette cleaning. You've seen that the CB4 environmental friendly degreaser. It's very important and it's very necessary. You also need your baby wipes, except you want to use a rag and you want to go through all the stress. Then you need a can to pour your degreaser as you want to clean your cassette. These are the basic necessary things you need to do this basic job. You got the chain on your bike stand, then you bring the cassette all back. Very necessary. Basically, this is the best way to clean your cassette. When you're done with it, you have to clean properly. Make sure there's no dirt. You can see all the dirts are gone. Then you wash thoroughly before you can install it on your bike and apply the lube that is best for the season. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe. All those that want me to use the bike for the next show, you can also comment. Thank you.